I'm Paige Herman.
And I'm Angela Santoro.
And this is
Making Sense. So basically what the lesson's going to be, we're going to introduce coins, their values, teach them how to add up some coins, what you can buy with coins, different things like that. In a previous lesson, we would have talked about the money value of money, the paper, the dollars, $5, $10. So this is just adding on to that lesson.
And this would be for our first grade class. Oh, sorry. Whew. First grade class. And we got it off of the Smart Exchange website, so the credit goes to Amber. But, of course, we kind of changed it up a little bit.
A little tweaking was done. So we have money here. This is where we would introduce the coins to the students. So we have the quarter, the front of the quarter, the back of the quarter, the name of it, and it equals 25 cents.
Okay, and then next we have the dime here. So the dime is the smallest of the coins. And here's the front and the back. This is the name. And a dime is worth 10 cents. So 10 dimes would equal $1, and 4 quarters would also equal $1.
So then we'd come along and we'd introduce the nickel. This is the nickel. Although the nickel is bigger than the dime, it is actually worth less than the dime. So the nickel is only worth 5 cents. 2 nickels make a dime, and 5 nickels make a quarter.
As well, 20 nickels will equal $1. Then we come to the last coin with the lowest value, and that is our penny over here, the copper. So this is the penny's name, and it is worth 1 cent. Okay, so 1 penny. If we have 5 pennies, then we have a nickel. We have 10 pennies, then we have a dime. If we have 25 pennies, we have a quarter. And with 100 pennies, we would have $1.
So then we would introduce just another aspect of the lesson. Place the coin under each picture, which you would use to buy the item. So it's comparing what they look like to the monetary value.
Okay, so we'd have student volunteers come up, and they can come to the board and pick any coin they want, and they would just match the coin to the value of each item to see what they can buy.
So the quarter would go to the book. We would have the penny coming over to the balloon, the nickel coming over to the apple, and the dime coming over to the baseball.
Okay, and once we had the students complete it, then we can pull this over and see if they're right. Okay, so Angela was right. Then we move on. Then we have a cashier here, so we have like a little supermarket kind of application question. So using the coins below, pay the cashier for the item. Place the coins by the cash register. Okay, so we'd have Angela show us how she can pay for this 75-cent cake.
So 75 cents. 1 quarter is 25. 2 quarters is 50. 3 quarters is 75 cents.
Okay, so we check if she's right. Okay, so 3 quarters. 3 quarters. Yep, she's right.
So then we'd have a student, maybe they're like, but wait, you can make 75 cents another way. So if a student wanted to come up, they could prove that you didn't have to use just quarters, that you could use other coins as well.
And to show that, you can take away 1 of the quarters, okay, and bring over 1 dime, 2 dimes, and a nickel. And this is the same value as 1 quarter. Okay, so that would complete our lesson on making sense.
We hope you enjoyed it, learned something about coins and money.